Hey guys, this is Miss Cutelis. It's so good to see you, and today is a very special day. Today is Earth Day, and I thought I would invite you on something I normally do in my home, which is planting things. And I don't order seeds from anywhere. What I usually do is I save the ends of vegetable roots, and I save the seeds from things like apples and pears, and I just let them sit around in a bowl, and then when I have time, I'll take them outside and I'll plant them in my garden. I also wanted to show you this other thing that I do, which is I use a juicer and I make this juice, vegetable juice, but out of that comes a ton of pulp that I then use in my garden as well. So I'm going to invite you to both those experiences. And I hope you find something fun to do outside today for Earth Day. And maybe this will give you an idea to next time you eat an apple to save your seed and plant it. Even if you don't have a garden, you can plant it in a cup full of dirt. And the cup could be like a yogurt cup or a recycled cup. So there you go. Let's go. Here is the ends of the vegetables that I talked to you about, and I cut these off before putting the rest of it in the juicer to make my juice. And these are kind of like seeds. If I put them under the ground the right way and water them, I might be able to get a plant from them. So here you see there's apple seeds, and this is the end of the carrot. And I don't know if you know, but a carrot is actually a root. So you're going to plant it going this way into the ground. You guys know what this is for? This is the end of a celery stalk. Same thing. So I'm going to go, I'm sorry, I forgot one more. This is a little pepper. And I cut off the main part, and look at all these seeds. So we're going to go to my garden and we're going to plant all these a little bit separated from each other, and then we're going to water it. If you don't have a garden, you can use a yogurt cup or a yogurt container filled with dirt to bury each one in. I'm going to make a hole, and I'm going to grab one of my carrots, and I'm going to make sure to put it the right way, with the plant part going to be on top. Remember to space them out and have them planted a little bit apart so that they each have enough space to grow. And now I'm going to be watering them. So there you go. We buried all our apple seeds and our carrot ends and our eyes of potatoes into the ground. And even our pepper seeds. And we'll see what grows. Maybe in a couple of weeks, we will see some sprouts coming out of the ground, especially if I take care of it and I water it occasionally. So we'll see. And now I'm going to show you how it is that I make my juice. So this is my juicer. You're going to put your vegetable or fruit over here. And then you use this thing to push it down so it's safe. You push it down, and here there's a bunch of blades that cut it up and send the pulp back here, and the juice comes out this way. I have this pulp that remains, and I'm going to go and spread this over my garden, and it's just pulp from the vegetables that I made juice from, and I'm going to add this to my garden, and it would give my new growing plants lots of new nutrients. I'm going outside now to put this in my soil. I dump it out into my garden and I just spread it around, and it will rot in here and add a lot of nutrients to the dirt. Here is the vegetable juice that I make every day. On this day, I put carrots, apples, cucumbers. Thank you so much for joining me for my Earth Day celebration. I'm going to go ahead and drink my healthy vegetable juice now. This I call carrot apple juice because it has mostly carrots and apples, and it's so sweet. So have a wonderful Earth Day, everyone.